Hazrat Asma, Hazrat Abu Bakr's daughter radiyallahu anha states, Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu married me, whereas he had neither property nor a slave nor any other thing on the earth, saves a horse. I would give his horse fodder, tend and watch it, grind the date stones for his camel, give it fodder, water it, mend his bucket, and knead the floor. I could not bake the bread well. Some Ansari women would bake bread for me. They were extremely sincere women. I would fetch the date stones bearing on my head from the land of Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu, which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted him. And that patch of land was 2 miles away. One day I was coming bearing the date stones on my head when I happened to come across Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was then accompanied by some companions. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam called me and then uttered, "Ikhu, ikhu," to make the camel kneel down in order to seat me behind him. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said, I felt shame as well as remembering your Hazrat Zubair's sense of honor. He radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, your bearing the date stones on your head has laid heavier on me than your mounting along with him. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha says, after this event, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sent me a maid who took the responsibility of keeping the horse as if he relieved me of my responsibility. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5656.